Alright guys, so today we have experienced an excellent trading session and I hope that you guys also made a profit. Such a wonderful day, such a wonderful trading session we had. Right now I'm going to discuss the important points where you could have taken an entry today, what would be the logical reasoning behind the entry, okay, and what would be the logical reasoning behind the exit. Okay, first of all, today if we go to the morning candle, this would be the morning candle, which is 6 July 9:15. Okay, you can see that Bank Nifty was already showing a lot of bullish tendencies. Okay, it had crossed 35,282 levels first of all, and then it was making a higher high, did come down a bit, and then it just boomed. Okay, so you could have taken an entry over here, but I didn't take the entry because Nifty was going, it was not going so sharply, and I didn't I was quite skeptical about the rate change of the Australian market today, because it was being hyped, and guys, whatever is being hyped has an effect in our market, because we people are easily influenced by what foreigners are doing or what the other markets are doing, and Australian market never had an impact, but right now it was being hyped so much. I thought that it might cause some amount of volatility, so I waited. Okay, and my entry level, let me just remove this for the time being. My entry level was somewhere at around this point, which is 35,488. No doubt that I had missed more than 200 points momentum, 200 to 300 points of momentum, but still, after Bank Nifty had broken out of this level with showing a really bullish tendency, I had entered, mainly because Nifty was also showing a bullish tendency. Let me show you. Nifty had also shown a bullish tendency at this point. Okay, when Nifty came down, I didn't take the trade. When Nifty had sustained above this point, it had taken a retest, I took the trade along with the support of Nifty. And right now guys, as you have seen previously, market just goes up and it tends to come down. You can see that when it was in this range, it had given a lot of false signal, and I had also made a small loss of 4,000 rupees that day, which I had shared in my Telegram group also. So that's why I waited for the confirmation. All right, and once it had broken this level, so what would be the logical reasoning behind the profit booking? I would tell you. Okay, I had booked my profit somewhere around, yes, I believe it was around this point, right about this point, which is 35,656. Okay, it was coming down. Why? Because Nifty had also made a high of this point. You can see that it has taken a high, made a high, and it was coming down. So I told you, I had clearly mentioned that if if Bank Nifty goes up above 35,692 levels, then you can go for the re-entry. Until that time, you can't go for the re-entry. So it came down, went for support. You could have taken the trade again over here with a small SL, because this range was a really good range, but the time decay was happening over here guys. A huge amount of time decay was happening, and you have to take that into consideration also, and for that you need to buy the deep in the money option. You could have taken the trade, but you would not see a significant amount of increase in the option value. Okay, when it had broken this point, that's when the delta came into action, and that's when you could have entered. And for some reason I could not enter because I was not in my trading desk, and I usually don't take the trade if I'm not in front of my chart, because I need the chart. I look at many factors before taking a trade, because once I have taken a trade, I try to hold on to the position as long as my target or stop loss is not met. All right, so you could have taken the trade again at this point, which would have given you at least 1:1 or 1:2 profit. And obviously your stop loss guys, your stop loss won't be over here. Your stop loss your stop loss needs to be over here. It can't be over here. So you would have taken a 1:1 profit over here. So for tomorrow, what your main criteria for taking the trade, and what your psychological point should be? if you check, Bank Nifty is in a clear uptrend. Okay, you can see that Bank Nifty is in a clear uptrend over here. So you have to go with the trend. Right now, let me just draw the Fibonacci. Okay, so this is how you can draw the Fibonacci, guys. From the swing high, you have to take the swing low. All right, this point you can see the 50% retracement point. You can note this down, 35,607. This would be the point. You can see that Bank Nifty was taking a good support over here. Once it has taken a support over here, second time it has taken a support, third time it has taken a support. Multiple times you can see Bank Nifty has taken a support. Once it had broken this support, this became a good resistance. All right, and not only that, it's also backed by the Fibonacci retracement, which is the 50% retracement level, which is a very important retracement level. And as you can see, it has respected today also. You could have taken a put option or a down trade at this point when it was getting the rejection, not over here. When it came up for a retest, you could have taken the position over here with a really small SL, and you could have made 1:2 again and this spot. So this is how you should trade, guys. You should wait for the retest. That's the safe way to do the trade. Tomorrow, if it opens with a gap up, I would not be entering anywhere over here. I would be entering at this spot, which is 35,630. Okay, provided that Nifty supports the movement and also the global scenario. And guys, tomorrow the options would be decaying a bit quicker, so I would recommend to choose in the money options. All right, so definitely I hope that you have enjoyed this analysis. And yeah, guys, definitely join in the Telegram group, because I can see lots of you are not subscribed to the Telegram group, because I share my live analysis every day and I come live every day in the market. Previously I had also mentioned that once Bank Nifty breaks this vast box over here, it's going to go up very badly. And you can see that Bank Nifty has gone up very badly. All those people who have taken a swing trade have made a really good amount of profit in Bank Nifty. So this is the analysis which I do every day, and you can also come and try with one lot. Initially I would recommend you guys to maintain a discipline while trading, and after you can see some profitable results, then only go to 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots. And the options are again very costly. We are not getting any leverage, any margin, so that's why we have to trade in lower quantities. Okay, all the good days are gone right now, guys. But we are expecting the margin to return once again, so let's see what happens. In the meanwhile, we can still enjoy a good profit out of the market, because Bank Nifty is still yet to reach its all-time high. All right, so guys, I'll meet you tomorrow, and yeah, join in the Telegram group as I have mentioned, and take care. Bye.